Hey everyone, welcome back on the mat and welcome to your Vinyasa Flow for today. We're going to start off our practice lying on our backs today. Drawing the soles of the feet together, separate the knees out wide, hands come down on either side of the body, palms facing up. Resist any urges to move or fidget around. Take a moment here to land on your mat, letting go of any worries or to-dos that you may have for the remainder of the day. And give yourself full permission to be here in the present moment. Focus on your body, your breath, and your practice. Begin to notice how your physical body is doing today. Notice any tensions and see if you can begin to mentally soften each of those areas, recognizing that a lot of our tension is usually more mental than it is held in the physical. And so by bringing our awareness there, we can encourage our muscles to let go and soften, relaxing the nervous system of the body. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you breathe in and out. And together we'll start to incorporate our yogic deep belly breathing. Exhale everything out of the lungs now. And then at the end of the exhale, hold your breath out for 1 count. Inhale through the nose, expand your belly up to the sky, filling your belly up with air. And then once your belly is completely filled, continue to breathe up the ribs, all the way up into the upper chest and collarbone area. Hold your breath in for 1 count. And then exhale through the nose, soften your chest down first. And then your belly will slowly drop towards the spine. Hold at the end of your exhale for 1 count. And then inhale through the nose, expand your belly up, filling your belly with air as it expands wide. And then move that breath up the ribs, all the way up into the collarbone area. Hold it there for 1 count. And then exhale, soften the chest down first. And then the belly follows. Hold at the end of your exhale. Inhale, deep belly breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it at the top. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it at the base. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it at the top. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold again. Inhale this time on your own, counting anywhere between 5 and 7 counts on the inhale. Remembering to pause for 1 count before exhaling for that same 5 to 7 count, making sure you're matching the length of your inhales and exhales. And again, pausing at the end of your exhale before your next breath cycle. And as you begin to become more aware of that deep belly breathing, See if you can continuously soften the body down with every exhale. And allowing your breath to rhythmically move the body today throughout your vinyasa. Making your breath the most interesting part of your practice today. We'll take 5 more breaths here. You can begin to set your intention for practice today. Gently bring your hands to the outer edges of the knees, and you're going to help your knees back up towards one another. Place your hands on your belly and separate your feet wider than hip width, and allow your knees to roll in towards one another. Take 3 more breaths here. Draw the knees in towards your chest now, giving yourself a nice tight squeeze. And you can rock side to side, massaging the low back. Bring your hands behind the thighs now as we begin to rock and roll up and down the length of our spine. Pausing in your boat pose before rocking back. The next time you roll up, hold your boat. Find your sits bones, draw your shoulders back, reach the crown of the head high, spread your toes nice and wide. You can lengthen the legs, or you can keep a bend in the knees. Squeeze your inner thighs together, reach the hands forward. Take 1 more breath in. Cross the ankles, find yourself in a seated position, hands on the knees. On your next inhale, pull your chest in, push your chest forward through the arms, gaze up. Exhale, round through the spine, gaze down at the belly button, separating the shoulder blades. Inhale. Push your belly forward, gaze up, sending the tailbone back. Exhale, round through the spine. Inhale. And exhale. Take 2 more breaths. Slowly bring yourself into your tabletop position, aligning wrists, elbows, and shoulders, knees under the hips. From here, curl the toes under, send the hips back and up for your first down dog of the day. Take a moment here, pedaling out the feet, shifting side to side, moving in a way that feels good. Slowly step forward to the front of your mat. Feet are hip width apart and gently fold over the legs. Your head dangle as you rock side to side, keeping a micro bend in the knees. And when you're ready, bend the knees even more and begin to press into your feet as you rise up into your Tadasana pose, stacking one vertebrae on top of the other. Your head's the last thing to come up. Palms roll forward. Take a moment here to really settle in to your Tadasana, pressing your big toe, baby toe, and heel into the earth. And lift the arches of the feet, sending a line of energy through the inner thighs, stabilizing your pelvis, and then continue to reach up through the crown of the head. On your next inhale, sweep the arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold over the legs. Halfway lift on the inhale, hands to shins, lengthen through the crown of the head. Exhale, dive over the legs once more. Bend your knees, press into your feet, rise up, palms touch overhead on the inhale. Exhale, hands ground to your heart. We're going to do that once more. Inhale, lift, lengthen. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Halfway lift on your inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bow over the legs. Inhale, bend the knees, rise up, palms touch. Exhale, hands to your heart. Adding on now, inhale, lift, lengthen. Exhale, swan dive, forward fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Hands anchor to the earth, step your right foot back, drop that right knee down. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, interlace the hands behind the head and open the heart towards the sky. Exhale, press into your left foot as you tuck your tailbone under, aligning your right hip with your right knee, and draw your elbows towards one another. Inhale, lean forward into that left knee, open the heart and chest. Exhale, close up, aligning right hip to right knee. Inhale, 3 more times. Exhale. 2 more. This time, inhale, open and hold. Gaze up at the sky. Maybe your right hand comes to your right shin. Your left hand can sweep back, coming into a light back bend. Exhale, dive the hands to frame the left foot. Curl your right toes under, hover the right knee, and send that left hand up. Left shoulder blade goes back. Exhale, drop the left hand down, step back into your plank pose. From plank, shift forward past the fingertips. Exhale, chaturanga, push up. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, curl the toes, down dog. Step it forward to the front of your mat. Feet are hip width apart when you arrive. Fold over the legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Bend your knees, rise up on the inhale. Exhale, ground the hands to your heart. We'll do the same thing on the other side now. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, bow forward. Anchor the hands, left leg back, separate tracks with the feet. Drop the left knee down. Low lunge on the inhale. Exhale, interlace the hands the non-habit way. Elbows go wide. Inhale, lean back. Open the heart towards the sky. Exhale, this time aligning left hip with left knee, tucking the tailbone, elbows meet. Inhale, open. Exhale, close it up. Bend into your right knee, open the heart and chest. Exhale, close it up. Give me 2 more on your own, maybe shutting down the eyes here. On your next inhale, bend into that right knee. Reach your left hand towards the left thigh or shin. Right hand sweeps up and back. Open the heart, maybe gaze up at the sky. Exhale, right hand down, and then the left hand stays down. Curl your left toes under, right hand sweeps up. Right shoulder blade back. Exhale, close it up. Step back plank. Shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog on the inhale. Exhale, down dog. Step it forward. Feet are hip width apart when you arrive and fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, dive back in. Bend the knees, rise up on the inhale. Exhale, hands to heart. Shut down the eyes here. Find your breath. We're going to do the same thing once more, and then we're going to add a new sequence to this. So take 3 more breaths. On your next inhale, we'll begin. Sweep the arms up, lengthen. Exhale, dive it forward. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Anchor the hands, right leg back. Low lunge on the inhale. Interlace the hands. On your next inhale, push your belly and chest up to the sky. Exhale, press into your left foot, aligning right hip, right knee. Close up the elbows. Inhale, open your heart, gaze up. Exhale, close. 3 more, maybe with the eyes shut on your own this time. On your next inhale, open up, hold it there. Right hand to your right thigh or shin, left hand sweeps up and back. Exhale, left hand drops down and then the right. Curl the toes under, left hand sweeps up. Left hand down on your exhale, step it back, plank. Shift forward on the inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog on the inhale. Exhale, down dog. Step your left foot forward and then the right. Fold when you arrive. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, rise up on the inhale. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, dive. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Anchor hands, left leg back, low lunge on the inhale. Interlace your hands behind the head the non-habit way. Exhale. Inhale, open up. Exhale, left hip and left knee align, elbows close. Inhale, open. 4 more on your own. Open up on the inhale. Left hand to your left thigh or shin, right hand sweeps back. Drop the right hand down and then the left. Left hand stays down, curl the left toes under, right hand sweeps up. Hover the left knee. Drop that right hand back down. Step back plank. Shift forward. Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Right foot steps forward. And then the left. Fold when you arrive. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands to heart. We're gonna add on this time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold once more. Anchor the hands, right leg back. High lunge this time. Open up, warrior 2. Reverse on the inhale. Exhale to your side angle. Reverse on the inhale. Exhale to your side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, windmill the hands to frame the left foot. Pivot your right toes forward. Runner's lunge. Come to 45-degree angle. Deep bend through that left knee. Hands to heart. Step into your warrior 3. Nice long line from the crown of your head to your right toes. Gently step that right foot back. Interlace your hands behind the back. Hover the hands off your seat and then bow over that left leg. Arms sweep up to the sky. Take one more breath. Inhale, open up. This time, open the heart and chest, keeping the hands interlaced behind the back. And then step forward with your right knee in towards your chest. Hug that right knee in. And then send that right heel back. You're gonna grab hold of the right foot from the inside of the big toe side of the foot. Find your balance, spread your left toes nice and wide. Anchor through the big toe of your left foot, as well as the baby toe and heel. You're gonna keep that lift through the arch. Left hand sweeps up on the inhale. Exhale, begin to kick your right foot into your right hand as you lean forward into your dancer's pose. Make sure that your right knee isn't flaring open like a butterfly. You want to keep that right knee hip width apart and parallel to the left knee. So you don't want it open in a half moon. You want it down. Inhale, come back up. Draw the right knee back in towards your chest. And then drop it down. Fold over the legs. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Anchor the hands. This time, step or hop into plank. Shift forward past the fingertips. Chaturanga on your exhale. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Toes touch left leg up. Left knee to chest. We're doing that 2 more times. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to chest. Once more. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. Hold it here. Lift that left knee higher. Step it through the hands. Right foot comes forward and fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, rise up on the inhale. Palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Onto the other side now. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, dive it in. Anchor the hands, left leg back. High crescent lunge, inhale. Exhale, open up, warrior 2. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Twice more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, windmill the hands to frame the right foot. Pivot the left toes forward, runner's lunge. Come up to a 45-degree angle. Hands to your heart. Shift forward, warrior 3. Find that nice long line. And slowly draw that left leg up, left knee up to the chest. And then send that left heel back. Grab hold of the left foot from the big toe side of the foot. Right hand sweeps up. And then begin to kick your left foot into your left hand, sending your heart and chest forward. Find your balance. Come back to center, left knee to chest. Step it back into your crescent lunge. Interlace your hands in on habit way, this time behind the back. Open the heart and chest. And then dive over that right leg. Hands sweep to the sky. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Open the heart. Hands back. Open the heart and chest to the sky. Slowly step it forward and fold over the legs. Halfway lift on your inhale. Exhale, fold. Anchor the hands, hop back plank. Shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog on the inhale. Exhale, down dog. Toes touch, right leg up this time. Exhale, right knee to chest. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, knee to chest. Once more, inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. Hold it here, step it forward, left foot forward and fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, rise up on the inhale. Exhale, hands to heart. Take a few breaths here with the eyes still shut. Okay, we're going to do that one more time before we piece it together. So hands come down on either side. Inhale, sweep up, palms touch. Exhale, dive it forward. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold, anchor the hands, high crescent lunge. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands behind the back, interlace. Open the heart and chest, hover the hands. Exhale, dive over the legs, hands sweep up. Inhale, open up. Send the heart to the sky. Hands may go back a little bit lower down the leg. And then inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. One more time, inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Dive the hands down to frame the left foot, pivot your right toes forward, come into your runner's lunge. Step it forward, warrior three. Take 2 more breaths here. Nice long line. Gently come up to stand, right knee to chest. And then settle into your dancer's pose positioning, grabbing hold of that right big toe side of the foot. Left hand sweeps up. On your next inhale, lengthen. Find your footing. Exhale, shift forward, dancer's pose. Take 4 more breaths here. Inhale, come back up to stand, right knee to chest. And drop that right foot down. Fold over the legs. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Hands anchor down. Step or hop back. Plank, shift forward on the inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog on the inhale. Exhale, down dog. Toes touch, right leg up. Right knee to chest. Twice more. Hold it here, knee to chest. Lift it higher and step it forward. Step the left foot forward and fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, rise up on the inhale. Palms touch overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Onto the other side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Anchor the hands. High crescent lunge on the inhale. Left leg back this time. Sweep the arms up. Exhale, interlace them behind the back the non-habit way. Open the heart. And then dive over that right knee. Hands sweep up. Inhale, come back up, keeping the interlace. Open the heart and chest. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. One more time, inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, windmill the hands to frame the right foot, pivot the left toes forward, runner's lunge. Hands to heart. Step into your warrior three. Slowly come up to stand with your left knee to your heart. And then send that left foot back. Grab hold of the left big toe side of the left foot. Right hand sweeps up. Find your footing on the inhale, lengthen. Exhale, kick your foot into your hand and begin to lean forward. We're here for 5 breaths. Keep that left knee to center of your mat. Inner thighs are engaged. On your next inhale, come back up, left knee to chest. Exhale, drop it down and fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold over the legs, ground the hands, step or float back, shift forward. Chaturanga, exhale. Up dog on the inhale. Exhale, down dog. Right leg up. Exhale, right knee to chest. Inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. One more time, inhale. Knee to chest, hold it there. Lift that right knee higher, then step it forward. Step the left foot forward and fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, rise up on the inhale. Exhale, hands to heart. Okay, we're bringing it all together once per side. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, dive it down. Anchor the hands, right leg back. Low lunge. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, interlace the hands. Inhale, open up. Exhale, close. Right hip and right knee align. 4 more breaths. Open the heart. This time right hand comes to the low, behind the right thigh or shin, left hand sweeps back. Open the heart. Left hand pulls you up, right hand follows. Right hand stays down, curl the right toes under, left hand sweeps up. Keep lifting through that left hip, and then drop the left hand down. Plank pose. Shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Toes touch. Left foot steps forward. And then the right. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Anchor the hands. Right leg back, high crescent lunge. Exhale the hands behind the back. Open the heart. Hover the hands. Exhale, dive over that left leg. Arms sweep up. On your next inhale, rise the arms back up overhead. Exhale, open up warrior 2. Inhale, reverse. Exhale to your side angle. Twice more. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, dive the hands to frame the left foot, runner's lunge. On your next inhale, step it forward, warrior 3. Find that nice long line. And on your next inhale, draw your right knee to chest. Pull it up with the help of your hands, and then grab hold of your right big toe side of the foot. Lengthen on the inhale. Exhale, dancer's pose. We're here for 5 breaths. Remember to keep those inner thighs engaged, and the more that you kick your foot into your hand, the higher you can rise. Come to stand with control with your right knee in towards your chest. Drop that right foot down and fold over the legs. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold, ground the hands, hop back. Plank, shift forward, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog, toes touch, left leg up. Left knee to chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, up. Knee to chest, hold it there. Lift it higher. Step it forward. Right foot forward and fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, rise up on the inhale. Exhale, hands to heart. On to the other side now. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Anchor the hands, left leg back, low lunge. Drop that left knee down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, interlace the hands behind the head, then on habit way. Inhale, open the heart and chest, elbows wide. Exhale, close it up. 4 more breaths. Inhale. Inhale, open the heart. Hang out here, left hand back to the thigh or to the left shin, right hand sweeps back behind you. Keep sending the hips forward. Right hand lifts and drops down to the mat, left hand down. Curl your left toes under, hover that left knee, right hand sweeps up. Keep lifting that right hip. Drop the right hand down as you exhale. Step back, plank. Shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog on the inhale. Exhale, down dog. Step that right foot forward. And then the left. Fold. Halfway lift. Exhale, dive. Anchor the hands, left leg back. High crescent lunge. Exhale, interlace the hands behind the back, then on habit way. Open the heart, inhale. Exhale, dive over that right thigh. Arms sweep up. Inhale, open the heart. Sweep the arms up. Exhale, open up warrior 2. Reverse your warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, warrior 2. Exhale, windmill the hands to frame the right foot. Curl your left toes forward, runner's lunge. Bend through that right knee. Take 1 more breath. On your next inhale, warrior 3, hands to heart. Take 3 breaths here. On your next inhale, draw your left knee to chest. And then kick that left leg back. Grab hold of the left foot. Right hand sweeps up on the inhale, lengthen. Exhale, dancer's pose for 5 breaths. On your next inhale, draw your left knee to chest. And then drop it down. Exhale, fold over the legs. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold, anchor your hands, hop back, plank. Shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Up dog on the inhale. Exhale, down dog. 3 times, right leg up. Right knee to chest. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Right knee to chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale to chest. Hold it here. Lift it higher. Step it forward. Left foot forward and fold. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees, rise up, hands to heart. As you exhale, take a moment here, 3 breaths in stillness. Feel your palms pressing into one another and your feet anchored to the earth. Feel the structure of your body holding you up. Open the eyes back up and make your way into seated position. We're going to close off our practice today with a final stretch before we come into meditation. So soles of the feet together like we began our practice. Nice diamond-shaped position with the legs. Move the skin away from your sits bones. And when you're ready, passively fold over the legs. Bow your forehead down. Shut down the eyes here. Resist the urges to move or fidget around. And focus on really softening the hips and glutes, the neck and low back. Take 5 more breaths. next inhale, slowly come back up. Draw your legs nice and wide with the help of your hands. Hands come to support you behind the back. You're just going to drop the knees to the left. Back up on the inhale. And then again, drop the knees to the right. Inhale. To the left. Back to center. And drop the knees to the right. Back to center again. Find yourself in a seated position. We're going to close off in our meditation today, guys. Find yourself in a comfortable seat. You can sit cross-legged like I'm doing, or you can come into your hero pose. And then complete any final movements that your body may be calling for before you settle into meditation. I personally always kind of need a twist. So if you want to join me, your right hand can come to support your spine in the center of your back, left hand to your right knee. Inhale, lengthen out of the crown of the head. Exhale, twist to the right. Come back to center on the inhale. Right hand to your left knee. This time, left hand supports the spine. Lift out of the spine on the inhale. Soften the low back and then twist to the left. Come back to center again, and then move the skin away from your sits bones. Hands on your knees, palms facing down. Line the shoulders with the elbows as you draw the shoulders up, back, and down, away from the ears. Find that alignment, reach the crown of the head up. And then soften, let go. Find your natural breath for the first time in your practice today. Just simply observe the breath moving in and out through the nose as you soften the body down. Slowly draw your hands together in front of the heart in a prayer pose, taking a few moments here to cultivate gratitude. And maybe you want to think of 3 things that you're grateful for today specifically. Take one final moment to thank yourself for showing up here on your mat and for taking care of your health and wellness today. And when you're ready, slowly open the eyes back up. Take a moment to taking your space and the environment that you're in. And I thank each and every one of you guys for sharing your practice with me, for showing up here on your mat. As always, I'm sending you all so much love and light your way, and I look forward to seeing you guys back here on the mat next time. Until then, have yourselves a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.